Hello friends, welcome back to the many video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friend we are going to talk about guys Samsung phone setting guys, and today video title is guys how can we unmute guys Samsung mobile. Friends, we want to unmute guys your Samsung phone. So friend, how can you unmute guys your phone is on mute? So friend, you can unmute from your phone sound and vibration setting guys. And friends, now let's see guys how can we unmute it. So first of all guys, you will have to on guys your Samsung phone setting guys. And guys, before starting video friend, first of all go and subscribe the channel guys, click the bell icon, like the video. Friends, now let's see guys how can we unmute guys our Samsung mobile. Friends, open your phone setting guys. After on phone setting guys, you can see guys phone sound and vibration guys. Click on phone sound and vibration, and friends you can see phone is on mute. So friends you can see guys phone vibrate settings and sound settings. So guys you want to set into as vibrate and sound, so I will click on this sound. So friends our phone will unmute guys, and guys we can use guys our phone all sound setting. So like that guys we can unmute guys Samsung mobile. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys. I hope friends you understood how to unmute Samsung mobile. So bye guys, thanks for watching the video.